Hello, how are you? I'm doing great. I was busy today. I delivered to this sweet little old lady who told me to knock loudly at her door, and then I woke her up. She's like, you woke me up. She had the typical living in a nursing home order, Raisin Bran, some granola bars, yogurt, club soda. Anyways, $4 tip. And today is the day I use for my paid time off so that this doesn't get lost elsewhere. I'm going to put $4 in paid time off and $1 in the tax man. Just like that, that's done. Otherwise it'll, go to teeth probably. Anyways, how are you? This is Jen at Will Budget for Coffee. Today is Wednesday. I'm filming this at night. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Dinner's almost done. My family's upstairs probably waiting on me. So I thought I'd come down here real quick and do this. And just realized I left the dryer on. I hope it is not too loud. I have some customers' laundry to finish before tomorrow. This little one from Lemon Ivy Budgets, we owe $1. And then it's done. It's supposed to be $35. Let's see if Jennifer did it right. No guarantees. 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Woohoo. Look at me go. I am not refilling my savings challenges until the new year. I'm just finishing up what I have in there, and that's how we're going to roll. So that one's done. Lemon Ivy Budgets. She has some of the cutest little challenges. I have a bunch in my Christmas binder too. Anyways, I had a great day. I did DoorDash in the morning. I did DoorDash in the evening. I did Shipt. I don't even know what I did, you guys. I did Shipt. I did Instacart. Yep. Saw Grandma. It was hair day. This is mine. There's a freebie down below. I just put scratchers on it. You can just cross off the icons as you save. I don't know if you have a glare. So, fake are the cookies, real is the dough. Save enough money for fancy Christmas Joe. And it is a little cookie, $1. Going in. I'm about ready to spend all that Christmas Joe money. I may have already, but we don't want to talk about that. This is Dee Plans and Budgets. It has one left. We're going to finish it up. $5 going in. $75 is what it should have saved. 20, 30, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, $75. Nice, nice. I am having a very good week. My grandma, Lord of mercy, she has dementia, as I've told you before. She's 90, let's see, 2, and she's declining. She's not aware of it. Well, I mean, she knows her memory is going, but I don't know that she's aware of where she's at. So like we have a drive to her hair appointment, and it is about 30 minutes. And we talked about the stormy clouds about 8 times in that 30 minutes. So that's fun. I don't know. I just keep saying, oh yeah, they look super stormy. So we're going to do 6. This is Jenny Simply Living Saves. And we're going to put 6 in that. This is for Ellie on Earth, Under the Sea. I'm going to do the outside die and the inside die. So a 3 and a 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I had lots of Amazon presents come in today. Oh, I didn't get change out. Jumper. Dun, dun. Okay. What was that one again, guys? Speak up. 3 and 5. It was a 4. Okay, this is Ellie's change. So I'm going to put in a 5. Put back a 1. I love this little savings challenge. It's just so friendly. 6 and 1. Ooh, the polka dot. That's 5. And a 3. I love listening to Ellie and her encouraging, well, talks. We can call them a talk, right? 7 back. to Ginny's. Ginny's so organized. Okay, we're on the fish. 6 and 2, purple stripey. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Uh-oh. Anyways, I'm having a good day. A good week. Tomorrow's Thursday. It's my super early start day, so I have an Amazon that starts at 5:30. Oh my gosh, you guys, the other day I was, 1 already done. 5. I was having a dream that I was so just proactively getting stuff done. And then I woke up and realized I had done none of it. Do you guys ever do that? Like, I was so active. Okay, a 4. Taking a risk. 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Already done. 2, 6. 2, 6. Perfect. 4 going into Ellie's. No IOU. I do not like an IOU. I do not like them, Sam. I am. All right. Oh, got a Renegade 5 down there, guys. I was just watching Lady Di do her cash stuffing. Nope. She was doing pink scratchers for Christmas, I think. Anyways, she was struggling. She's like, I just need more money to do all my savings challenges. Same, girl, same. So this one's coming along. Should have scratched more on my coffee one. That's what I should have done. And then, good news. I wrangled some money that we didn't pay for bills because we're not living in our house. So, first of all, I have some money that we saved. And then we had some bills, like we're not doing the trash and the water right now. So, I have some money to go into the tooth fund. So, we have these 3. Right here. And I have $50. $20, $40, $60, $81, $20, $40, $60, $82, $20, $40, $240. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 5, 10. Uh-oh. Did you see how I did that? Let's see. 50 plus 240 plus 110. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. 409. Is that right? 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40. Yep. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 1, 5, 10, 15. Yep, 409. Okie doke. So, we are going to get started. We're going to use a 3-sided die. A 4 means nothing, and I just get to re-roll. And then we'll roll the appropriate die to go with which savings challenges. Let's see, I was rolling a 20 on this one. Yep. And I was rolling, I think, well, we'll take a 12. It looks like I went to a 6 last time. And then here's the 3. So 1, 2, 3. That's a 2. That's $4. That's a 1. That's $30. I'm going to put in that 50. And take out a 20. This is coming up pretty fast, pretty fast. I stopped by the house today and I didn't see any that they've done any work. However, the stove got delivered. So that's nice. We haven't heard from our adjuster in 2 weeks. Our project manager or adjuster. 1, 2, 3. So that is discouraging. 10 going in. That triangle is so hard to pick up. 9 going in. I always put 10 because, nope, I have a 1. One, that's another 30. I did a DoorDash today. These people, I don't know these people. It was a 7-mile DoorDash. It paid fairly, so I took it. Not on them, that's on me. I just feel like such a dork when I'm delivering 5 miles from the store a single Red Bull. I'm like, really? And I guess they needed it that bad. 2. But I had to walk into a 7-Eleven. I just feel like it should be more. And then I delivered. The lady was clearly having Taco Tuesday on Wednesday tonight. That was the last delivery I did. It was a DoorDash delivery. And it was everything tacos. And it was from Safeway. So the meat, the cheese, the shells, the salsa, the chips. She was getting it. That's 4. That's 2. That's 7. So I like those orders where you can tell you got, what you're getting. Oh, last tooth. Woohoo. Another tooth. Let's see if this shows up. A very bad tracing job. 30 going in. 2. 14. These are filling up pretty fast, guys. A 1 and a 5. Does my hot mess bother you guys? I know some people like it all nice and neat. I do too, but I'm fine with a mess in a temporary situation. That's like how I craft too. I am not a neat crafter. I am a hot mess crafter. 5, 10, 15. For surezies. For surezies. 2. 18. 5, 10, 15. 16, 17, 18. Woohoo! It's me forgetting to write it down. 3. 1. 7. 1. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oop. 1. 4. 2. 13. That's Dee's favorite number. It is. Respectable. Nice and prime. 3. 4. Oh boy. A 20 going in. 15. 16 coming back. I heard you. I wrote it down. Tooth. 20. 25, 30. 3. 9. 20, 5, 10, 11. What's your favorite number? I like even numbers for sure. I like easily divisible numbers. Oh, it's a hot mess. 30 going into another tooth. I don't know that I have a favorite number. I know Lady Di likes number 5. I like prime numbers. I also like even numbers. So there's only one of those where they combine together. One again. I don't even think that turned over. 20, 40. Pull 2 pies back. Another tooth. Just realized I switched pins in the middle of that. Oh my goodness. Another tooth. All right, I don't have enough for another tooth. I do have one. I do need to count all my money and see where I landed on the tooth savings, but I think I have 1 week left. So 12, I'm going to put in 22 and pull a 10. And then I'm just going to roll for this one again, which is a 2. And a 6, which is 11. So 2 and 2 and 6 is 8, guys. And 17. There I went over. 2, 6, and 17. Is 25. So I owe this one $10. I will have to find that somewhere. I'm just gonna write it. Oh, 10. I'll probably pull it from like the food budget or something. Anyways, that's all I have for today. I'm just gonna kind of straighten this up. I'm gonna continue doing the outlines on this because I think I get to pull another bundle of money and I am not caught up on my tracking, so more is going to end up in the basket this week, which is fantastic. I hope your Christmas plans are going well. I hope your end of year goals are going well, and that you are encouraged. When I'm deciding on my goal for next year. I think my number 1 goal is to track more. Nope. That's not, I don't like goals like that. I don't like goals that are open-ended. I like a firm. So I'm going to sit down at my budget book at least 5 days a week. I think that's what I decided. I'm not doing the more, travel more, read more. 5 days a week. And I think I'm also going to switch my day because I think that will be better for me. I've been thinking about it a lot. Anyways, what do you got going on? What's your number 1 goal for next year? Let me know. I may need a new one too. I hope you have a great day. It's Wednesday. Probably get this up Thursday morning. And I will talk to you later. Take the time to save $1 or $2. Thanks, guys. Bye.